Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Prime Prometics order. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about like how to cancel, you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website, at the very top side there is the option contact us. You need to tap on this button, and once you are on this option, there are options like cancel order, so you need to select this option. And once you select this cancel order option, you need to enter your email ID, which is your registered email ID. And once you enter your registered email ID, you need to sign in this account. And once you sign in your account, you can cancel your order very easily. Okay, you can also send an email at their email address, that is like info@primeprometics.com. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. Once your email is done, in the email you need to mention each and everything related to your order. You need to send the email at their email address, and once they receive your email, they will also cancel your order if possible. Okay, if it's immediately cancellation. Okay, if you are late, if you are late approx after 1 hour, the order cancellation is little bit hard. So this is the method by which you can cancel your Prime Prometics order. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.